One of the nice ways to wake up is coming into gentle movement. And this is something that you can do sitting on your mat or maybe on the floor. I do suggest not sitting on your bed or the couch here, so even a regular chair will be helpful too. Now, before we get into it, let me just show you how your hands are going to be. This will involve a little bit of warmth in your body when we start moving and breathing together. So let's form fists first, folding your forefingers and then pressing your thumbs against your knuckles. And we're going to make circles with your wrists going outward and also going inward. Okay, so let's maximize the space that you have on your wrists, making the biggest circles that you can. And we're going to combine it with your arms extending forward and back. When we inhale, we are going to turn your knuckles or your wrists outward and your hands are moving forward. At the end of your inhale, you will of course exhale as you bring your wrists back towards the shoulders, and then the circular movement is coming in. Okay, we're also going to move your arms to the sides, same movement with the wrists, and we will also move your hands all the way up above your head and then make your way down again. So we will go for 5 breaths going forward and back, 5 breaths going out and in, and 5 breaths moving up and down. We'll go with your diaphragmatic breath so that when you inhale through the nose, your belly rises out like a balloon. As you exhale, sink your belly into your spine and exhale through the nose or your mouth. When you're ready, let's begin by starting to curl your fingers, form your fists. Exhale everything out and move your hands towards the shoulders first. As you inhale, we turn your wrists outward, move forward. On your exhale, start to turn them inward towards the shoulder. Inhale, coming forward. Exhale, coming back in. Inhale, coming forward. Exhale, coming back in. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale, make the biggest circles with your wrist. Inhale, 1 more time here. And exhale. Moving out to the sides. On your inhale, move your arms out. Exhale, move your arms in, circling inward towards the shoulders. Inhale, moving out. Exhale, moving in. Inhale, this is 3. And exhale. Inhale for 4. And exhale. Inhale for 5. And exhale. We're moving upward this time. Inhale, move your fists all the way up. And exhale, move back to your shoulders. Inhale, moving upward. Exhale, coming back to your shoulders. Inhale for 3. Exhale. Inhale for 4. And exhale. Last one here, inhale. And exhale. Coming back to your regular breath, take a deep breath in. Exhale out, just relax your fingers on your lap. Inhale. Exhale, sigh it out. And you can also just shake your hands, wiggle your fingers, and you are ready for the rest of your day.